It's just one more quick video that I was thinking as I was looking at Lewis's chart here. And I looked at another chart and they didn't have the right information. So what you need to do here to get these values of the current price is you want to go to your portfolio. So after you log in, go to your portfolio and then you want to look at what the last value is. So if you don't know what to put for that, I only have 2 stocks on my page. If I take a view of this, it's whatever the current is. So the last value would be the current price. And as you can see here, my price for Regeneron has definitely gone up, but my price for Afimox, I don't know how to say that, has gone down. So you can see what the current view is, which is the last value view. Okay, so hope that makes sense. Again, portfolio after you log in and then look at that last value, or you can say view and look at the current value. And that'll tell you what to put on under the current price here for your stocks.